This is somebody on TikTok say the wings taste like the Jamaican wings, so I'm here to try it. I'm gonna rate it 1 to 10. I don't like the smell so far, but I don't know. They say it smells, so this is original and barbecue. Them say it smell. Them say it tastes close to the one in Jamaica, so we're gonna rate that now. We'll go with the barbecue first. Not bad. Make a bit honest. It's good. Not like Jamaican one, but can pass. I'll try the original. Not bad.